Applying for a family visit visa in Saudi Arabia has become more straightforward. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to apply online. First, let's discuss who is eligible. Immediate family members like spouses, children, parents, and siblings can be included in your application. Sometimes, grandparents, grandchildren, in-laws, and other close relatives may also qualify. Next, who can apply? Now, Iqama holders of all professions, including laborers and house drivers, can apply. You'll need a valid Iqama with at least 3 months of validity, passport information, and an active Nafath account. Here's how you apply. 1. Visit the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Mofa, portal at visa.mofa.gov.sa. 2. Select English and log in using your Nafath account. 3. Click on Apply under the Family Visit Visa Application for Residents section. 4. Fill out the online form. The system will autofill your basic details, but make sure to add any missing information like your address, visa objective, and visa number. 5. Add the details of each family member you are applying for. Enter their name, date of birth, religion, occupation, and other personal information. 6. For passport information, enter the passport number, type, issue date, expiry date, and place of issue. Choose the place to stamp your visa and the number of entries. 7. Review the information, check the agreement box, and click Save to submit your application. 8. Print your application confirmation. After submitting online, your sponsor must sign and stamp the application. Submit it to the local Chamber of Commerce if the sponsor is a private entity, or to Mofa if it's a government entity. For domestic workers, the sponsor can approve the application online. Once approved, submit your visa to the Saudi embassy or consulate in your home country for processing. And that's it. You've successfully applied for a family visit visa. For more details, visit the Mofa portal.